So now what we need to do is that we need to work on this area where previously we created an image, but we did not get that image. So we need to display the logo here or the image here, along with some information. So I already have here an image, so I need to include this image. So I'm going to open up my project, and then I'm going to create here a new folder called data. And inside that data folder, I'm going to drag this image and I'm going to drop it in that folder. And now we have this image called logo.jpg. Now in the main.kv here, what we want to do is that we want to make sure that the image, as you can see the image here, the source points to the image. So the source is data/logo.jpg. JPG, because the image is logo JPEG. So here it should be JPEG. So again, make sure that it's data/logo.jpeg. The second thing that we need to do is that we need to display some information here below this image. So below this image, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to here, let me close this off, and then here I'm going to use the MD label just outside this anchor. Outside this anchor, I'm going to come outside of it, and then I'm going to use MD label. And make sure that you are inside the content navigation drawer. So here the MD label. So the MD label is going to display just a label or text. I'm going to say text. And then the text can be anything. You can display anything about your application. I'm going to say awesome app. Awesome app. And then the font, you can play around with the style. I'm going to say font style. So the font style is going to be button. It's going to be like a button. For the size, the size hint Y is going to be none. And for the height, it's very important to specify the height. So for the height, I'm going to say height, and then the height is going to be the self dot texture size 1. So the height is going to be the texture size of 1 of the MD label. This is for the MD label. You can display as many MD labels as you want. So for example, if I copy this and if I paste it below here, I will have another text. Here you can display another text. So for example, here you can say, this is an awesome app. This is my app, or this is email. You can display your email, for example, or the email of the business. For example, example at info@example.com. And you can change the font size. So the font size can be something else, such as the caption. And the size hint and the height are going to be the same. Let me now save and run my application. So let me run my application one more time and show you the difference. So as you can see here, I have an error. It says here invalid indentation. This is a common error. Don't worry about it. We have here a problem. It should be here 4. As I told you here, I should leave 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here 4, 4, 4. And here as well. So make sure that your code is correct. Now let me run one more time. And as you can see now, if I click on this navigation drawer, it's going to display this icon or logo and display awesome app and then information about my app, which I think is very important to display the logo and also some information or the app name, something like this.